For the agenda today, we are going to discuss the hows and the whens, along with the whats and the whys of the upgrade. We will cover release types, refreshing, configuration, along with some product-specific considerations, and we'll touch briefly on testing and training. For the purposes of this discussion, we are mostly talking about a feature pack upgrade, but when we are talking about upgrades, it's important to understand the different types of releases and the impacts of each. Depending on your organization and your testing methodology, each release type typically requires a different approach in testing. A feature pack is a major release including new features, changes to existing features, bug fixes, and database level changes. These new feature packs also include all of the maintenance packs and express packs from all of the previous builds. A maintenance pack is the release that occurs between feature packs and includes only bug fixes. Typically, the maintenance pack does not introduce any functional changes. An express pack contains only critical client-specific fixes that are only needed for distinct reasons. While these fixes are client-specific, Oracle does make them available within the product for all clients. You won't typically get an express pack only unless it's actually your specific issue that's being fixed with that express pack. As you can see at the bottom, these different types of upgrades will be denoted as numeric sub-releases of the relevant feature pack. So in other words, 15A would be the feature pack, 15A.2 would be the maintenance pack, and 15A.2.1 is the express pack, and that's a sub-release of the maintenance pack, and the maintenance pack is a sub-release of the feature pack. So why should I upgrade? Each of the feature packs comes with new functionality and features within each product. Additionally, there might be changes to existing functionality that you're already using, and you can take advantage of all of these new changes. Proactive upgrades not only allow you to take advantage of this new and improved functionality, but they also help ensure continued feature support from Oracle and help you avoid the forced upgrade. Feature packs will also include all of the bug fixes that have occurred between feature pack releases. So when do you upgrade? Well, it's important to remember that clients must upgrade to a new feature pack at least once per year. Oracle will support 2 former feature packs and 1 current. For example, if your zone is on 14B, you must upgrade to the most recent version once 15B is released. If you don't upgrade your zone by the time 16A is released, you will be force upgraded by Oracle prior to the release of 16A. As you can see, planning a continuous upgrade process will help your organization avoid feature pack end of life and de-support. Also, one other consideration for late adoption is that if you upgrade over multiple feature packs, the downtime will increase. Are you an early adopter or a late adopter? Well, each client is a little different in terms of their user community adoption and how much risk they're willing to assume. Acuity actually would recommend somewhere in the middle. You don't want to really be force upgraded without any planning, but you also don't want to be the first one in. Let a few others get that feature pack and test the waters before you go in. Your upgrade can be scheduled anytime once it is generally available. Generally available means that there have been clients using the feature pack in beta testing and it has passed testing approval. Now it can be consumed by any Taleo client. Typically, by the time a feature pack is generally available, there already have been a few, at least express packs and sometimes a few maintenance packs included by the time it's generally available. And Acuity would recommend that you wait some time until the second or third maintenance pack is available just to make sure that the feature pack is stable. One additional side note worth mentioning is that from time to time, Oracle will issue critical patches that all clients are required to have. This is usually due to some critical issue that might be impacting multiple clients or some sort of security issue. So as you can see, having a scalable, repeatable upgrade process will help ensure that you have the ability to execute quickly if needed. So let's talk about the high-level process. At the 50,000-foot level, this is what the upgrade process looks like. You plan for the upgrade and review the documentation. You schedule the refresh, and you upgrade your staging zone. You configure all of the updates that you wish to take advantage of for that release. You then test the configuration and the process end to end, and you train your end users on the new features and functionality, and you go live. That seems simple enough, right? And notice the last bullet, which is equally important. And I'll talk about this a few times. The upgrade and optimization process should be an ongoing process that everyone in your organization will become used to. Change management is critical.